In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. We'll build a clear, flexible system you can rely on every day without overcomplicating anything. Start by creating a dedicated workspace or a main page called Business Hub. This is your command center. Keep it easy to find in your sidebar and think of it as the front door to everything your team needs: projects, tasks, clients, and documentation. A single hub reduces context switching and helps everyone stay aligned. Next, set up your core business databases. Create one for tasks and projects to track deliverables and deadlines. Build a client's or customer's database to manage contact details and status. Add a content or marketing database for campaigns, posts, and ads. Include a finance database to track income, expenses, and invoices. Finally, create a notes and SOPs database to store processes, templates, and documentation. Using databases instead of scattered pages keeps your data consistent, searchable, and scalable as you grow. For each new project, spin up a project page and link the related tasks, files, and notes. Assign an owner and a deadline so responsibilities are clear. This keeps communication and execution tightly connected. Manage tasks using different views. A board view shows workflow stages at a glance. A calendar view catches upcoming deadlines, and a timeline view helps with long-term planning. These are just different windows into the same data, so teams can work how they like without duplicating anything. Document your SOPs and processes, create pages for standard operating procedures, checklists, and training guides. Use templates to ensure consistency and keep instructions short, clear, and actionable. Track clients and communication in a client's database with fields for contact details, project history, notes, and follow-ups. This acts as a simple CRM, giving you context before every call or email. Build a business dashboard that surfaces active projects, upcoming deadlines, and key metrics. Use filtered views and roll-ups to show only what matters now. Dashboards make priorities obvious and reduce status meetings. If you're ready, connect Notion to tools like Google Calendar, Slack, or automation platforms such as Zapier or Make. Automations can create tasks from form submissions or send reminders, reducing manual work. Set permissions thoughtfully, share only the pages people need, and choose view only or edit access. Lock critical pages to prevent accidental changes and keep sensitive information secure. Schedule a weekly review to update tasks, archive completed projects, and refine workflows. Small, regular tweaks keep the system healthy. As your business grows, add new databases, improve dashboards, and refine processes. Notion will scale with you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.